right, bikes are finished. We're gonna do what we do best. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Ryan Huffman, and we're gonna shake these bikes down at Washougal MX Park.
Dude, I want to ride the 125.
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right.
Gotcha. One more?
No.
I'm in?
Paper gets rock.
You did scissors.
Okay, let's do it again.
Uh-oh. We're even. Mine. It is a Mitch built 125, you know. Well, if I have to give it up. This is gonna be odd though. It's gonna be fun. Actually, back to back. I don't know if I've ever done that yet. Yeah, this thing picks up third and fourth pretty good. Kind of amazes me. You know, I had an old factory bike that probably had a little bit different tranny in it, and second was closer to third, so we could, like, actually I'd jump a lot of triples back in the day on my bike in second because it had the longer second. And then if you caught third, there was no bog. Third was just right there, and this thing was picking up today kind of like that. I'm pretty impressed, you know, and it's got some good parts and all that on it.
Right.
So much.
I was just impressed to see those magnesium side covers.
Well, yeah, look at that. That's the real deal. I can't believe Mitch gave that up.
Yeah, they have a little wear on them, so it has a little history. It's not just some part that just got slapped on there.
Yeah, I think, that one's the magnesium cover too. So
yeah.
It's really cool.
I was really impressed coming out of corners. A couple times I had to realize, no, go ahead and shift. I wouldn't think that it would pull it if I went the next gear up. And then I would over rev, and so the next lap came around and shifted up, and it would pull it through. And I mean, I'm not light these days, so I was impressed that it was pulling through. And for a 1999, right?
Yeah, 99. Just makes me wonder why my bikes didn't have quite this amount of bottom. I was thinking the same thing coming out of the turns. I'm like, wow, I don't remember my 125 having some bottom like this. So,
or maybe you just weren't on the bottom. You're just riding it on the top.
Probably, maybe that's a little bit of the difference of the four-stroke in me a little bit that makes me ride the bike that way. But I just truly, this thing comes off the bottom better, and I remember 125s, and it, like you said, it's a 99. It's
yeah, some lucky winner is going to be super stoked with this bike,
right?
And if they're not into a 125, they're going to get a brand new Kawasaki 250. That's pretty amazing.
You got some daylight? You want to go burn some laps?
Yeah, they're not ours. They're giving them away.
Yeah, well, maybe we should be careful on that, huh?
Right. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget, go to MotoSport.com/win. Get entered. Good luck. We hope you enjoyed this series. We'd like to thank the sponsors that helped make it possible. Fox, Pro Circuit, Excel, Renthal, Henson, Dunlop, Maxima, Pivot Works, and braking.